What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. I hope you're staying home safe and working on your trains, layouts and having fun. I have a lot of fun to converting that locomotive. So a lot of pitfalls, but I finally get it done. Exactly what I like to do it. So 10 independence LEDs. This is MTH, I should say, transition era, probably around 2010, when decoders, they should upgrade with better sound and motor control as well. So right now I put Tsunami soundtracks board, Tsunami 2, and with new Keep Alive 2. You can watch the video on DCC Train Live channel. I did decoder installation overview before I put shell together. Let's go over function. I'm not turning the sound on yet, so F0 headlight, and it's directional, so I'm changing directions right now. Now I'm going to higher rate level, and it's 24 for number boards. They're also independent, so 25 will be for rear number boards, then 26 turn the marker lights, and 27 will be turning red marker lights in the rear. So let's start the engine. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. You can support channel joining membership. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.